Why is sample size important in baseball statistics? Have you ever wondered why some baseball stats seem to tell a different story than what you see on the field? The answer often lies in the sample size of the data being analyzed. Sample size is crucial because it directly impacts how reliable and meaningful the statistics are when evaluating a player's true abilities. When the sample size is small, there may not be enough data points, such as plate appearances or at-bats, to confidently distinguish a player's skill from random luck. This can lead to misleading conclusions about how well a player is performing. For instance, if a player has a fantastic start to the season but has only had a few at-bats, that performance might not reflect their true potential. In baseball, many statistics fluctuate due to chance, especially over short periods. This is where the concept of regression to the mean comes into play. It suggests that extreme performances will tend to move closer to a player's average ability as more data is collected. So, if a player starts the season hitting exceptionally well, their performance is likely to normalize as they accumulate more at-bats. Different baseball skills stabilize at different sample sizes. For example, a player's home run hitting ability can often be assessed with fewer plate appearances because it shows more variation among players. A few hundred plate appearances might be enough to get a reliable sense of a player's power. On the other hand, skills like contact rate or plate discipline requiring larger samples to draw meaningful conclusions. Statistical methods, such as split-half reliability, help determine how many data points are necessary before a statistic becomes stable and accurately represents a player's true talent. This is vital for analysts and teams to decide when a player's performance is a reliable indicator or merely a temporary streak. Understanding sample size is also beneficial for baseball analysts, coaches, and fans. It helps avoid overreacting to short-term performance swings. For example, a player's early season statistics should be interpreted cautiously until they have had enough plate appearances to provide a clearer picture of their abilities. In summary, sample size is important in baseball statistics because it affects the accuracy and trustworthiness of performance measurements. Larger sample sizes help reduce the impact of randomness and provide a clearer view of a player's true skill level. This understanding is essential for making fair comparisons of players from different eras or stages of their careers.